I love Berry. I love the greenery around here and just the open spaces.
Well, I think the Shoalhaven's been the best kept secret for a long while. I just absolutely adore walking along 7 Mile Beach.
Wines are grown here, made here and bottled here, and you can actually come and chat to the people who are involved in making the wine.
Amazing coffee, great food, and most of all, just amazing hospitality.
Just everywhere you look, there's just mountains and green and trees and blue skies. It's just a very relaxed vibe.